Our elementary school starts at PreK and goes through 4th grade. Our PreK program is licensed by the state of Pennsylvania. We offer full-day kindergarten in both the Spanish Immersion program and the English program. And then at the elementary level, students have science, social studies, Bible, language arts, and math. They also have music, art, PE, recess, and library time. Our students are coming from all over the county, from many different school districts, from many different faith backgrounds and church backgrounds, and the common thread of seeking Jesus together amidst our linguistic diversity, our socioeconomic diversity, our ethnic diversity. It's a vibrant place to be every day, to walk down the halls and to hear learning audibly happening through the interactions that students have with one another, to see them excited about the interesting things that they get to do and that they get to learn, and genuinely enjoying being with one another and being with their teachers.
I'm fortunate to visit classes and see students working on different things. When students work together, the research shows that there's going to be a high degree of success.
One of the distinctives at our elementary level is our Spanish Immersion program. What this program does is help our students become bilingual and bicultural. So by the time that students are hitting middle school, they are able to communicate very proficiently in Spanish.
It is amazing. Both Tasha and I are conversational in Spanish. Our 4th grader and 2nd grader come home, and I'm afraid to admit this on camera, but their Spanish is better than ours. They are learning an incredible amount of the language, and it's really exciting.
Another thing that Lancaster Mennonite does well is to focus on play and being outdoors. Our pre-K students are often outside digging in the dirt and learning new things in a hands-on way.
It's just been this informal but beautiful way of adding an educational experience thanks to this beautiful campus. It's been really, really wonderful.
Teachers here are just great. Besides teaching them about math and history, languages, they teach them about God. They teach them about love. My children had grown not just academically, but also spiritually in this school, and I'm just so grateful for it.
We are committed to peace and justice, to lives of service, and to enriching our community together. The skills that they learn here at Lancaster Mennonite will help them to change the world in a variety of ways now and when they grow up.